Hi, I'm here with Enno Littmann today, our CEO of the IHSE Group. And I just would like to ask him a couple of questions, starting with the first one immediately, Enno. Now, a year on after the acquisition of kvm-tec, give us a couple of insights of the challenges and the benefits that you've seen so far.
So first of all, we have acquired a company with lovely people. And you know, exactly in this time, it's so important to have the right people join you and the right atmosphere and mentality between companies. And I think that was a perfect fit. And we're very happy to have those new colleagues on board as people, right? That's the first and utmost importance. And lucky us, right? We did a proper due diligence and really found the talent that we needed to extend our product portfolio in a very quick manner to not only comprise the largest KVM systems over proprietary protocols, but to expand it into the world of IP, connectivity, right? kvm-tec had already the IP-based KVM. We had these large systems that we sell to all customers worldwide for 12 or 14 years now, right? Really huge systems. But now we have established IP extensions to our portfolio. That's one take, because we could build on the IP technology that we got together with that lovely colleagues from kvm-tec. And on the other hand, we are working to put more robustness and more experience in building up large systems to our new colleagues in Tattendorf in Austria, right? So I think it's a strong win-win situation, because there's on one hand technology, new ideas, and we get a lot of inspiration from Austria, right? On the other hand, how to build a system from maybe 95% to 98% to a total reliability where you really can sell very large systems. That's something where Austria can benefit heavily from our experience and this rigorous testing and improvement approach. And that is shared now between the two locations, and I think that's a perfect fit for 1 year after the merger.
Thanks, Enno, for that. Now, just forward-looking, what's your next big focus in that area?
I won't talk about that too much, because we have some ideas to expand the world of KVM with a joint product that we want to feature in about half year from now, and that will come along. You can be excited and waiting for it.
Perfect. So at the next exhibition, then we'll be releasing that. I'm not pinning you down on a deadline, obviously. All right. Thank you very much for that, Enno. And we'll let you get off. I know you're very busy with all the meetings here, so thank you for your time.
Welcome, and thank you for your questions.